Alright, those of you who've seen the YouTube channel know where we're going. This is the best chicken ever at barbecue chicken, or they don't serve barbecue chicken. And it's during Christmas time. Here we go, and they're open. Amazing. Oh man, here we go. I know what I want.
Gangnam style? Awesome. It's fire. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, and also the honey garlic.
Exciting. So there's a sign on their wall that says new chicken sandwich, and it's one of the things where you don't want to count your chickens before they hatch because they decided to not release it.
Uh-huh.
So they already started promoting it, and then they're like, we don't know if that's going to actually come out after all. No pun intended, counting your chickens before you hatch. Yes.
It's reversed, so the direction of the game starts to go the other way towards mom.
We're playing Uno Flip, teaching Bryce a new game for the first time.
But you have, I think you have to play if you have something.
But I don't have
You don't have that color, okay.
So I grab one now.
It's kind of sticky.
Alright, so we just got mom and mine. We're going to split it, and she wants to try what it tastes like with nothing
Yeah, it looks
by
good.
itself.
By itself is good, not greasy. I like that. It's very tender chicken, and I'm not even a fried chicken person. It
Yeah.
has a little bit of kick to the flavor of it, even if it's not.
Just plain.
I'm glad I went with just trying it.
Yeah, I think it's really good even just by itself.
You can see why you say it's the best chicken. It's pretty darn good. It's the right temperature, not too hot.
And then we got secret sauce
Very
from mom.
real meat, real meat. This is the secret sauce? I wonder what the secret is.
Yeah.
A little spice, a little sweet. Good combination. I think it's really good, Bryce.
Yay.
I can eat some more of this.
Awesome.
Thank you for sharing.
Of course. Now you guys are excited.
Let's try the ranch.
You're not right.
Dip your fingers in the ranch.
What
Alright, we're trying ranch with rice because
That's all we have right now.
that's all we have right now. Yeah.
That was weird.
That was weird. Good score.
I'm gonna put a little ranch on here with the special sauce.
Why don't you guys split one of these?
Yeah, they're really good. I do like them.
Pick
We
one.
have so many.
Pick one.
You want to try one of ours?
Yes. Because I've only tried that flavor.
What we
Okay.
need is napkins.
Alright, Marissa's first bite.
Cheers.
Very good. Good breading.
Want to try this?
Yes.
With good sauce everywhere.
Alright, what is Marissa and Dawn's thoughts? Just the plain chicken.
How was that?
Very tender, very juicy, good breading flavor.
Can you think of a time you had better chicken than this?
No.
I feel like the chicken that we had at the Torino place, the other one, like fried chicken, Korean,
How about you? Can you think of a time you had butter chicken?
No, 'cause I don't eat this stuff.
Fried the coop is pretty good, but I haven't had it in a long time. I'd like to compare those three next to each other. But it's top tier for sure. Easily contender.
This is top tier.
Oh yeah, easily contender for the best, if not the best. I haven't had the other ones that I love in so long that it's hard to like really pick a favorite.
This is better than Raisin Cane's.
Yeah, I'd say better than Raisin Cane's for sure. But Cane's is good. I like their
The Cane's is good. I don't know. I just think like even the plain stuff is just juicy on its own. And but you guys are about to try your special flavors you got with it.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So which one did you get? 8-piece?
We got 8-piece honey garlic, 8-piece
Oh my gosh, you got 16 pieces altogether.
8-piece galbi, which is a little spicy.
Well, we got the rest of the night, and we don't know what's open at the airport, so
Right. So
I don't know
this
what they'll
will
let us-
definitely fill you up for sure.
I'm getting popcorn anyway.
I must sleep at my house
Which might not be a bad idea.
just from being so
did you try it?
All right, we just got the what was it?
spicy galbi.
Spicy galbi. I never had that one before.
It's so crazy.
All right, I'm excited to try one.
I want this one. Well, that one's so saucy. But it also has fun stuff.
I'm gonna be surprised if you guys can eat all of this.
It's all.
Thank you.
Want to split that one? That one is.
It's fine. We'll live with ours.
And then I will grab this one. All right. Let's see what you guys think of your special chicken.
It's a sweet sauce. Yeah, it's sweet for me. It's spicy. I don't think it has
It's not really
much
spicy.
kick at all.
Oh,
But
interesting.
the chicken itself, I mean, this has
It's what we ordered. It says spicy.
maybe it kicks in later.
What do you think, Mark?
I have one
Very
of the
tasty.
small ones.
Best chicken?
Very good. What are these?
Pickled relish?
Yeah, I think that's right. All right, very good. I'm gonna try it. Oh, Mom's gonna try it.
Oh, crunchy.
Is there bones?
You had a very crunchy part.
No bones. Okay.
They're very crunchy. Oh my god.
Is it better or?
I don't have much chicken yet. I just have so much crunch in them.
Oh, interesting.
Messy, alright? Okay, now I'm gonna try the chicken part.
Pretty yummy.
I like the ranch too.
You glad that I took you guys here?
I think it has a taste to it.
It's not spicy enough. It is. But it's not as spicy
You'd
as I
be
thought.
glad that it's not too spicy later.
I'll probably try.
Yeah. No diarrhea on the airplane.
Finger looking good.
Very good. How's it going?
It is.
You ready?
It is now Bryce's turn.
All right. So I'm trying the sweet one first.
The honey garlic.
Honey garlic?
Honey garlic.
Okay, yeah, I've never tried this flavor.
Might be a new one, huh? Flavor?
It's good.
Pretty good. I'm gonna give that probably a 9 out of 10.
Oh yeah, Mom got something.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, that's yours.
You did?
That's yours.
I didn't say
You ordered a bowl. You said the bowl.
I just said, should we? And then I was like, I'll just split whatever you want.
Well, too late now. All right, let me try
And
this spicy
that's
one.
hilarious.
Holy cow, we're gonna be.
Full.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, spicy one.
I thought you were gonna order this. Now it's share it. I was like, well, oh well, I guess I'll try it.
It's good.
It's pretty good. It's not very spicy, more sweet, like you said. I shouldn't give this one a lower score. Probably like a 7,
Okay.
but still really good.
All right.
And then what is that?
Oh my gosh, it's a lot of food, is what it is.
It's
know
the
Caribbean.
Caribbean bowl.
So it looks like it has.
You got some, like,
little
yum
chunk,
yum sauce.
And then there's some
Scrambled eggs.
I don't know what's in here. I have no idea what was in here.
Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Neither. They were both really late.
All right, I give that chicken a 10 out of 10. That was my favorite chicken. You guys enjoyed it?
Very good. Very good.
Don, do you want any of the chicken?
All right, now we're on to Universal City Walk.
Yeah, it's